If I was to click on this image, or if I'm in the property and I click on the hero image or in the photo manager image, if I click on that, it will go into a slideshow process. So we've got now the ability to go through each of the different images. It shows that title and the description down here at the bottom. Up here at the top, we've got some options. We can slow down the display either at 3 seconds is the default, 5 seconds, or 10 seconds per photo. So it'll wait there for the number of seconds that you've specified and then go to the next one. If you don't have descriptions in there, and you actually, it will close it up if it doesn't have anything, but if you don't want to see those descriptions for whatever reason, you can click on the little eyeball and it will remove those descriptions. You click on it again, it'll turn them back on. So as you go through those photos, go through the list of photos, it will go through that entire process of showing the title and the description along with the photo. Now, why is this important? Well, let's say, for instance, you've got some people that are coming into your office, or you go to their house and they want to see, you know, they're buyers, they want to see some of the properties that you've done and have available for them before you actually go visit. Maybe you can weed out a few of the properties. You can go through and quickly show them a presentation like this. Or maybe you've got an open house and you want to have a display and being able to see the images and the information whenever they first come in, they start to register, they do some stuff like that. You can have a rolling image of the information about each of the rooms and stuff that you're showing in the open house. You can, what I just did was I clicked on the little pause button and you can either pause or resume play of the carousel pictures, or you can use the left and right photos to just manually go through them one at a time. If you've got it on pause, then you can just kind of go through them how you want. There is an option here for going into full screen mode. So if I click on that, it gets rid of all the browser menus and stuff like that. So now we've got a full screen, being able to see everything very very nicely, very eloquently, without having to deal with all the browser menus and stuff like that. So once you back out, you get out, then you can go to another one. So, you know, maybe I've gone to one of them, maybe I go to the next one. You know, do whatever you want to, but it really uses that information, the title, the stuff, to build out a very good display. And one thing that I have noticed, and I want to see if I can address this, is whenever it goes through the very first time, you might see some of the white space. It's loading those images. And whenever, once it gets going, then the white screen kind of goes away. I'm going to see if we can alleviate that, and then also add some transitions so that you can go through and deal with setting up some different transitions from photo to photo. But at this point, it just kind of rotates through each one of them.